Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't been uploading. Um, I'm sorry about that. I was busy, life, but then now I'm not. So like I'll probably be uploading again, but no promises, cause like I'm not like all the other YouTubers. I don't have like ideas. So like I'm sorry. um, yes, I cut my hair. I really like it. Uh, I'm thinking of dyeing it. I'll probably do video on that. Not anytime soon though. Like I just don't have a schedule. I upload when I upload. All right, and yeah. So I'm sorry for not uploading, and I'm sorry like I'm terrible at this, but like it is what it is. It is what it is. Okay. All right. So today I'm gonna do an unboxing video. I already have the box open because I've been like re-recording this, because like I haven't done it. I mean, it's just, I don't know, I'm just a terrible person. I'm awkward. I'm like really bad anxiety, and I don't know. All right, I'm an unboxing video. Oh my god, this video is a mess. I'm sorry. It's an unboxing video of Ateez's Perfume, the Star 1117 perfume. I'm so excited. I already saw on Twitter, like all my followers had theirs already. I was like, oh my god, mine should be coming soon, and believe it or not, it did. Hold on, look at this. Oh my god. Back. Oh my god. This is... I'm like doing ass scissors. I don't want to damage it. Oh my god. Oh, and happy Sunday, July 10th. Happy birthday, son. If you're not, I doubt, maybe you're seeing this, but happy birthday. Oh, oh my god, it's so pretty. I don't want to get... So do I slide it? But I don't want to damage it. Alright, I'm gonna do it very gently. Oh, forever. Is this forever? You are my star. It says inspired by Ateez. Hold on, I'm gonna put. Oh my god, they love us so much. We don't deserve Ateez. We don't deserve Ateez. When you open it, as the photo cards. Hold on, bro. Oh my god. It's Hongjung. It's the back. It's beautiful. Get Oh my god, the back. So pretty. Mingy. I'm sorry for any background noises. Family can be rude. The birthday boy, San. God. The back. Sangwa. Oh, so beautiful. My baby Yosa. bias. Oh my god. Oh, the back. You see that? It's a whole, oh my god. Your song. You just so love your song. John Cole. The back. This is so immaculate. Okay, and Woo Young. Woo Young. Wow. I'ma die. Oh wait, hold on. These are obviously like, are they puzzle pieces? You gotta put them together. I'll do that later. I'm gonna do that later. All right. Wow. Amazing. Amazing. All right. Tattoo bleed just. Tattoo, breathe, and just keep it up. I'm so. Oh my god, it fell. Hold on. Alright, so. I don't know what happened. But let me fix it. Hold on, Ateez. Hold on. I'm gonna fix this. I guess, I don't know if I did this or what. I'm gonna fix this. Hold on. Alright. Okay. Alright, let's do this one. The glitter perfume. Hold on. Alright. Y'all see this? Y'all see this? So pretty. Alright, I'm gonna tell you. Whoa. I don't know. I don't really wear perfume a lot. Like I used to, so like I don't really have experience. Like I had experience, but like I don't know how to describe the smell. Yeah. Smells good. Smells good. I like it. Alright. The tattoo perfume. This is how it smells. Oh my god. Hold on. What is this then? Okay. Pretend that didn't happen. Alright, this is part of the tattoo perfume. Duh. Oh my god, they'll probably walk. If they see our videos, I think they see our videos. I don't know, they see this, they're like, ooh. Excuse my dog barking. Alright. Ooh. I smelled that. Alright. Alright. Oh my god. It hooked, guys. Oh my god. I'm just kidding. Oh my god, it's so strong. But it like, I don't mind it. I like it. Can y'all see? Hold on. Ooh, yeah. mean, it's not like going out anywhere. But I'll wear it. I'll wear it, you know. Gotta go grocery shopping. Because that's pretty much all we can do. I'll wear it. Wow. It like, hold up. This is awesome. Like, they kind of smell the same. Kind of smells like, I don't know, like, how do I describe this? Like, alright, if you got it, okay, I sound like a real YouTuber right now. But if you got it, comment below how you think it smells, you know? Okay, that was it. That was the packaging. So elegant, so beautiful, you know? Like, I'm gonna cry. Like, I love them so much. And I'm so ready for this comeback. This is amazing. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's gonna be on my dresser with my light team. It's gonna look so beautiful. And yeah. And it's amazing. This is wow. I'm speechless. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. I'll try to upload more. I'm really sorry how terrible everything is. I don't have like a real camera. I do this all on my phone. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. My Instagram's gonna be down below. Subscribe, follow, like, all that YouTube stuff. All that, yeah. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I love you, and I love Ateez. And yeah, okay, bye.